Video number 6. Steps to a successful online advertising campaign. A planned, organized online marketing campaign takes a bit of research and a solid knowledge of your target customer. By doing each of the actions, you will quickly create an online marketing plan that can be implemented immediately and begin reaping sales successes. Step 1. Define your customer. If you have not yet done a marketing plan within your business plan, then you need to do an exercise on how to create a complete marketing plan, from your unique selling proposition through advertising and promotions planning. Step 2. Choose your targets. A coordinated effort across several sites and venues commonly frequented by your customers is the most effective marketing campaign. If you are seen in several places, your visibility and retained message is much stronger. These are all clues to measure a best fit of your message to the traffic of the site. Pay-per-click advertising is another consideration for your marketing campaign. Close monitoring of your conversion rates will quickly tell you what is working and what is not. Step 3. Budget. You probably already have a figure in mind of how much you can really spend, so go back to your marketing campaign sheet and total the costs of all the ad spots you did like to do. Now go through that list and prioritize the ads in terms of where you think you will get the most exposure and results that fit within your budget. Move the others into a holding list. If you are engaged in pay-per-click advertising, check in daily for the first week or so. Step 4. Creating your ad content. The most successful ads use words that relate to the customer. Use you and, yours and, never put the focus on me, mine, our, my or, we. Create several emotional words associated with the product: fun, comforting, relaxing, stimulating, and addictive, and use at least one of them in the ad. Step 5. Tracking and monitoring your ads. Tracking tricks include using specific coupon or sales codes for each ad placement, setting up separate entry pages on your site for each ad, and utilizing a service that helps track activity like Google DFP Small Business. An effective marketing campaign does not have to be expensive or difficult. Following the 5 basic steps above and committing to the follow-through, you can create a cost-effective campaign with a substantial return on investment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.